Premium credit cards promise amazing perks. But what if you live in a small city where half those benefits don't exist? Let me show you how to make the math actually work. Here's the reality. Most premium cards are designed for big city lifestyles. Cards with high annual fees often come loaded with benefits like airport lounge access, elite hotel status, and dining credits at fancy restaurants. But if your nearest airport is 2 hours away and your town has 3 restaurants total, you're paying for perks you'll never use. Let's talk about the math that actually matters. Premium cards typically charge annual fees between $400 and $695. To break even, you need to extract that much value from rewards and benefits every single year. That's where things get tricky in smaller markets. Take airport benefits. Many premium cards offer free lounge access worth $400 per year if you fly frequently. But if you only take 2 trips annually from a regional airport with no lounges, that benefit is worthless. Same with hotel elite status. It's great in New York or Chicago, but meaningless if your town has 1 Holiday Inn. Here's how to make premium cards work in smaller cities. First, focus on cards where the core reward structure fits your actual spending. Look for cards that earn high rates on groceries, gas, and everyday purchases rather than obscure bonus categories you can't use. Second, calculate value based on benefits you'll actually use. If a card offers $300 in annual travel credits and you spend $400 on flights each year, that's real value. But if it offers restaurant credits only at participating locations and none exist near you, ignore that benefit entirely. Third, consider the opportunity cost. A premium card with a $500 annual fee needs to beat what you'd earn with a no-fee card by at least $500 annually. Run the numbers on your actual spending patterns, not hypothetical scenarios. The catch with premium cards in small cities is that you're often subsidizing benefits for urban cardholders. You pay the same annual fee but access fewer perks. Card issuers design these products for their most profitable customers, who tend to live in major metropolitan areas. So who should consider premium cards in smaller cities? You're a good candidate if you travel frequently for business, even from regional airports. If you spend heavily on broad bonus categories like dining and groceries. Or if specific benefits like rental car insurance or purchase protection provide genuine value for your lifestyle. Skip premium cards if you rarely travel, if bonus categories don't match your spending, or if you can't use at least 70% of the advertised benefits. A solid cashback card with no annual fee will likely serve you better. The bottom line, premium cards can work in small cities, but only if you're brutally honest about which benefits you'll actually use. Don't pay for a big city lifestyle if you're living in a small town. If you want help finding cards that match your actual spending and location, check the resources in the description below. And subscribe so you don't miss our next breakdown.